I'm standing in the snorkel, which is throwing water at the PNSE building right now with great pressure. This is a 145 feet tall snorkel. You can see the floor that we are aiming at right now still has fire in it.
Hi, I'm Nadia Zafar. Congratulations to Dawn News for completing 10 years. I can't believe it's been that long. I still remember when we were all crammed up into one room trying to figure out how to put a channel together. So congratulations for this wonderful journey of 10 years. It's really hard for me to think of one best memory from my time at Dawn News. There are just so many. It could be the time when we went to Sindh with a coaster full of gear and gadgets to try to cover the Sindh floods. Working day and night, not stopping, not sleeping, just getting the job done. Or it could also be when I got a baptism by fire sort of training at Karachi Airport when all journalists were stranded there on the unfortunate events of May 12th. But one memory stands out as a spectacular sort of memory at Dawn News. We were covering a fire at a local building, and somehow, for some strange reason, I convinced the firemen to let me go up on the snorkel while they were still actively engaged in putting the fire out. And while I was up there with Heather, my cameraman, I am thinking what was going on in my head to bring me here. So those are some of my memories there. After Dawn News, my journey has been full of twists and turns. It has been BBC World Service to PBS Frontline. But one of the major projects that I accomplished was setting up the Center for Excellence in Journalism at IBA as its founding director. We literally started with one desk, and now we have a functioning newsroom and studio and have trained hundreds of professional journalists since our start. But throughout these twists and turns, and no matter where I went, I kept coming back to the connections I built at Dawn News and the incredible people I met here. It's always about them and how they keep contributing to my life after Dawn News. And perhaps that's the reason when we hosted our first trip of journalists at the center, American journalists at the center, one of the first stops that we made in Karachi was in fact Dawn News. So for that and so much more, thank you Dawn News, and heartiest congratulations, and I wish you many, many more decades of success.